Hey, all you lady dragons out there, it's me again, Jess, and I got hubby with me. Introduce yourself.
Walt Creed. Instagram.
Now I am promoting his Instagram.
Walt_Creed.
You know, I feel like we need to practice the intro because you always like mess up the intro. Hey, all you lady dragons out there, it's me again, Jess, and I have hubby here with me. Introduce yourself.
My name is Harold.
So, as you already know from the title, this is me and Bae Slay episode 3. Me and Bae Slay episode Trey.
Club.
I like that. That rhymes. Of course, as you know, this is a SHEIN haul. So you want to grab the box, babe?
Right there.
That's the box.
That's the box right there on the floor, on the left.
He don't want to show the box. It's a big old box. We have a bunch of clothes this time. We even have outerwear and like fall. We tried to be sure to get seasonal clothing this time. Last time I feel like we were a little all over the place, but this one is like, it's a little more tight and trimmed down. And I think we found some good pieces this time.
I think so, but we'll see when we try them on, and you guys give us feedback. Yeah,
you guys let us know, and you let us know what you want to see next time. So without further ado, let's jump right into the haul. All right, so this is the, actually we look nice together. Look at us. Okay, period.
Prom pose.
We're in love. Vacation.
I got the same face for everyone.
Every vacation. Well,
Yeah.
Las Vegas would be a little different. Yeah. Okay, these are cute outfits.
That is nice.
The dress is nice. I feel like it could be a little touch longer. Just a little tad bit longer, I would be good. I would be great. Yeah, just a hair longer. But I think I could put on some, tights or some nice opaque stockings and some knee boots. This is a fire look. Only thing I wish, pet peeve, I would like for the sleeves to be just a touch longer. So I think everything just a little bit longer, but I'm really tall. If you're not as tall as me, I'm not really tall, but I'm 5'7.5". So if you're a little shorter than me, I think this would be perfect. But the color is awesome. The material feels so good on. It's soft and it just feels like that quality. The ribbing is nice on it. I really like this. What about yours?
Like mine, my shirt is mainly my shirt. What is this?
Denim. It's like a light denim.
Well, it feels like quality.
Shirt. Yeah.
It's thick. It's not thin. It's made to be outdoors. It feels like you're gonna be a little, not warm, not hot, but maybe a little bit, cool.
It's breathable.
Breathable. Yeah, there you go. 1 second. And it fits really nice. You can tuck it in your pants, keep it casual, have it out. Maybe put a tie on. You can put, a nice little dress outfit. I found my gray slacks, and they go pretty good with this.
I love it.
But gray goes with anything. Pretty much, but I think this is a nice combination right here. And I can throw on my brown shoes. I love brown shoes. Throw on my brown shoes, go out, go to the casino.
I said that as soon as he put it on, I was like, ooh, we could go to the casino tonight. With that little move right there.
No.
No. Okay. Anyway, these outfits are cute. Let's try the next one. Okay, so while hubby is changing, I wanted to show you guys this coat. This is a coat that I've been seeing on SHEIN for probably 2 years now. I absolutely love this coat, and I'm glad that I was able to get my hands on it early in the season so that you guys can see how this coat works out. This coat is in a size medium, so let's see. And I wanted to show it with this dress because I feel like the colors complement really nicely. Love the colors on this. It's a nice plaid, but it's not your typical fall plaid, but I love that about this. It's the type of plaid I like where it's hitting too. It's not super duper long. I usually love my coats longer than this, but I actually like where this is hitting because I don't have a lot of coats that hit right here. All material, but it's giving me colors that are unexpected for fall, and I love that. I absolutely love that. This is also a coat that you can wear into winter because I'm already starting to get warm in this, so I know that this will transition well into winter. So I have no complaints about this coat. I probably could have did a size down, but I do like this oversized look. So thumbs up for this one. Next outfit. All right, so this is the next outfit, and I know you guys can't see down to the floor, but only pet peeve about these, they're way too short. I'm gonna show them anyway though, because they might be a pair of pants that somebody's been looking at for a while, and if you're shorter than me, they would probably work for you. I did get these in a size small. They're too small. They're very tight, and I don't feel like they're stretching at all. So these are actually very uncomfortable and tight on me. I definitely should have went up to a size medium, but as short as they are, I don't even think a medium would be long enough for me. Now, this top is a top that I never reviewed. It was sent to me by SHEIN a long time ago, at least a year ago, but I actually really like this top. It's perfect for fall. Yeah. It's perfect for fall. So I'm gonna check the site and see if it's still there. If so, I will link it, because actually, I could wear this a million different ways.
That in the summer and fall.
Absolutely.
I got it in a large. It's definitely what you said, breathable, but it feels nice on my body. It looks nice, especially.
It's got ribs. It's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, and you know, it's kind of, you know, nice up here, up top too.
You feel like you look muscly in that. You look muscly in it.
I don't even know if that's a word.
It's not. I made it up.
I like it. So, yeah, this color, orange, like a burnt orange, goes nice with my pants. The color of olive green. I think we kind of match on this. We can actually go out somewhere and they be like, "Oh, you guys are cute, Kingdom and twins. We're twinning." No, we're not twinning. We just look nice.
We said we were gonna do a twinning haul.
Well, we're gonna.
I feel like this is turning out to be a twinning haul.
Not yet. Wait until the next one that I'm on.
All right, so we got another look. Me personally, I probably wouldn't wear these two together, but I am showing them together because they're the only thing that I have to show for a top and a bottom. I do like this top, like I said, separately. I think this top is super cute. It's kind of shorter in the front, longer in the back, and I love the billowy sleeves. I think it's very like flirty and cute, and I love a good white button down. And then a faux leather skirt for me is always sexy. A faux leather mini is just a must for me, especially for fall, but really any time of year. So when I saw this one, I was like, yes, super cute. I love the studded detail. I wasn't sure how it was gonna feel, if it was gonna feel cheap, but it doesn't feel cheap to me, and it fits really nicely. It has belt loops, but I don't know why you'd wear a belt with it. So yeah, I like this.
Arm length, slimmer to my body. I think this color combination is maybe perfect.
It's really beautiful.
This is olive green. This is more of a vanilla color.
It looks so good.
Yeah, I like it. And it stretches, and it really doesn't have a summer feel. The color gives a fall. You know, everybody says white after Labor Day. I don't go up. I don't care about what anybody else says.
So let's change. Harold has a bunch more to show. I have a few more things, but I do have a jacket I want to throw on and show you guys real quick.
I have a bunch more?
Yeah, a bunch more tops.
All
right, so next outfit. This is some faux leather joggers. They do have a drawstring, and the drawstring does actually draw them up and tighten them. I like the way these fit. These are not too tight, not too loose. I really like how these fit. I want to show the bottom. So this is how they look at the bottom. And I just threw on another SHEIN top that I've had for years. This top is pretty old. If they do still... I love it. Yeah, yeah. And I've taken really good care of this. I only dry clean this. So even if you have clothes that are affordable and kind of more lower end, if you take care of your clothing, it will still look good. Love how this looks together. I love mint green. For me, mint green is almost a neutral, and I wear it as though it was like a white almost. So I pretty much pair mint green with any color. Definitely. Yeah. It's a neutral. It's not really a color to me. It just blends and matches with whatever you have on. So I love having this shade of pieces that are very versatile.
Money.
Yes.
Money. Mint green money. I have them green as well. Hoodie.
Yes.
You look like you are going roller skating.
Oh.
Like, you know, and there's an ice cream bar at the roller skating rink, and you are really fashionable right now. That looks nice.
I forgot my jacket. I forgot my jacket. This is what I wanted to show you guys.
Oh.
This is why I put this outfit together, because I felt like this jacket would look good.
You're just gonna throw the jacket in there.
What do we think about the jacket?
I like the jacket. Is it a rain jacket?
It's sort of, yeah, it's sort of like a rain jacket, but it has a hood.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's definitely a rain jacket.
It has a hood. Sort of a trench coat. It's a trench coat.
Looks nice, not heavy.
Yeah, it's a lightweight trench coat. I think this is great for a change of season. Not too heavy, easy to just throw on. A great color. This rose mauve color, also sort of a neutral, almost like a little shade off from khaki. So I think it's very easy to wear and pair with things.
And it has a bungee.
And it has these cords that kind of make it a little tighter.
Yes, and it would look great, you know, just wearing around town.
Yeah.
If it's a light rain, or just like you said, it's a trench coat.
Yeah, just a nice trench. Yeah. So I think this is a cute piece. A cute piece as well.
Well, like I was saying, mine's is green as well. Mine's is more of your light army green. It has a hood on it. It feels nice. I think they knocked it out the park with past outfits.
Yes.
It's nice. I like the tops.
He usually has a lot more complaints. So there hasn't been a complaint yet.
No, because the colors that you got, or the colors that we picked, are neutral.
Yeah.
They're really good colors for the fall. This fits well, feels well, has utility. Yeah. As a man, we like utility.
Makes sense.
You know, I can go work out in this if I wanted to,
that
or
actually,
I can just wear it casual.
Does. Yeah. I like the color of the hem too. It's like an up and down sort of. I like that.
It's nice.
It looks good.
And the color looks tactical. No, we like the utility is, man. So it has use, and you can wear it with almost any type of color.
Yeah, you could even put like a little jacket over it.
Yeah,
you know, you could layer it. I think it's cute.
But it's breathable as well.
And it's light. It's light. It's not bulky. Yeah. I'm happy that he is liking some of these pieces, because if you watch some of the other Me and Day Slay, he be tearing Shein's little stuff up. But I'm so glad.
They held it down on this one.
This is a good one. All right, let's keep going.
But I want to talk about mine first. Okay? Because
switch it up. Do something new and different.
Well, as you said, you like the color combination of these pants with this shirt. I was like, at first. But then when I saw it, I was like, they're not too far off, but I like the difference in the color, but then the contrast. It's nice. This shirt feels nice. It's another transition into the fall. I feel like this can actually go summer, fall, because it's thin. It's definitely breathable.
Does the material feel good?
It feels good on my body.
Okay. Oh, it is soft.
Yes.
It's very soft.
Yeah. And of course, we all like the colors.
Love the colors. On your skin tone. Your skin tone, though, it really does. Every color goes well with your skin tone. I don't know how that's possible, but it does. Look at this. Look at them. Look at those dimples coming out. You like being complimented, huh, sir?
Who doesn't?
How the colors? Okay. So now talk about mine then.
Strawberry rosé. It looks nice. I like it. I like it. She doesn't really like the dress. I don't think so. But it looks absolutely delicious on her. What are you doing? What is she doing? She's showing off, as you can see. Strawberry. And this together looks like a great combination. Like
it does.
Sandwich each other.
Oh, Lord.
Come here. All right, so back to business. It definitely looks like something that she would have worn a while ago. But
Yeah.
it fits her
Yeah.
perfectly.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Well,
I liked it. He said everything that needed to be said. I don't need to say anything else. And I love the color. I like the fit. I think it looks really nice on my shape, so I'm happy with that. I don't have anything. He said everything.
on to the next one.
Next one.
All right, so just me. My first time doing a solo, but I think I'll do all right. Here we go. New York. I'm not from New York. I'm from DC, but I understand this whole thing right here. It is printed on letters. It doesn't feel bad. I actually had the pants that I had on prior look better with this color, like camel color sweatshirt. It looked better, but these sweatpants actually don't feel too bad. They're a little short down here, but everybody's wearing things slim fit now, so it actually doesn't look too bad on me. As you can see, it has the A on the side. Screen print. Yeah, screen print. This is screen print right here. Kind of cushy. You can definitely just casual wear. This is a casual outfit, but I give you a thumbs up, SHEIN, for working this one out.
Alright, so this is the last look. This actually is from a separate haul. This is from SHEIN's new athletic wear line, but I did want to show it in this haul. So if you guys are curious or interested in athletic wear or sportswear from SHEIN for women right now exclusively, it's called Glow Mode. This is their #1 sports bra right now. It is the crisscross sports bra. These are the pants. They don't necessarily match, but you can match them together. These pants are the crisscross top pants, and just they're so soft. So love the new collection from Glow Mode. Make sure you watch the other video that I have that's really showcasing this stuff. And then this is Harold's last piece. Oh, his top is from SHEIN too. We didn't say that at the beginning.
From the first episode.
Yeah, from the first haul.
Yes. I say episode. This is gonna be
this
a
is
series.
The whole thing. Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Stay tuned. But this, of course, I cannot go without having a NASA going to the top. Out of space with this right here, screen print as well. Everyday casual sweatpants I can wear out to my son's football games, my daughter's volleyball games, my other son, he'll be doing some other sports. Just doing whatever around with the kids, or just wearing to work, to and from. They feel comfortable. What you expect from a pair of sweatpants.
And the length
is better on these. I expect nothing but the best from NASA. I thought I'm trying to be professional. You being a fool right now. She's being silly. I'm going to be professional as we try to show you guys what they give us to display for you guys. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Thumbs up.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and make sure you hit that thumbs up. We need it. It's great for our algorithm. And make sure you leave a comment down below. We forgot the subscriber of the day. Here is the subscriber of the day. And thank you so much for leaving your comment. Clap it up for that subscriber. Yeah. If you would like to be the subscriber of the day, leave a comment down below so we can highlight you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll end this video the way I end all the videos. Share this video with a friend. Share this video with a haul lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.